Let's cook a pizza on an open fire. Call for help! What a bad idea! What is Stephanie painting? Is it a mini Mona Lisa on a little M&M or a fake delicious candy? Shape colorful Play-Doh into M&Ms. Add the iconic M letter on each candy with white acrylic paint. Coat the candies with glossy acrylic polish. Christy wants to steal one tasty M&M. Don't do that! These aren't real candies. These are clay copies. And they are not tasty at all, but they look exactly the same as real ones. Oops! Our tricky Christy accidentally mixes up all the candies. And how are we supposed to avoid the clay candies now? It's easy! Clay candies are very soft in comparison to real ones. The friends arrange a picnic. One of them is eating, the other is taking pictures. Our generous Stephanie invites Christy to taste her Chinese noodles. Enjoy! Coat parchment paper with vegetable oil. Squeeze out hot glue to be noodles and take them off the paper. Trim the ends. Put the noodles into a square box. Put white polymer clay into a half of an empty Kinder Joy container. Compact it. Cut out a hollow in the center with a modeling tool. Make it look like a boiled egg white. Roll green polymer clay and cut it to look like asparagus. Bake the clay following the package instructions. Coat the ready pieces with glossy acrylic polish. Put yellow Play-Doh into the clay egg white to be a yolk. Scratch the yolk to create texture. Put the egg and the asparagus into the box. Christy reveals the reason behind her generosity. These noodles are made out of glue and clay, and it's not edible in the slightest. I should just stick with my lunch, and Stephanie's noodles are only good for photo shoots. No calories detected. Christy is working on something with a lot of enthusiasm. What is she up to? It's a secret. Stephanie is so curious. Here, take a treat. And now you can look. It's the perfect copy of a chocolate chip cookie. Treat yourself, friend. Make a flat ball out of light clay. Crumble foil and make imprints to copy the cookie texture. Press in hollows for chocolate with a modeling tool. Roll clay balls. Make them look like chocolate chips on the surface of the cookie. Color the chocolate with brown acrylic paint. Shave colored powder off pastels. Rub the pastel powder into the cookie. It will look like baked edges. Coat the cookie with glossy acrylic polish. Stephanie considers her friend's cooking talent. This cookie looks very realistic, and it stretches out very well. What an unusual effect! Good job, Christy! You're a master of food imitation. Games outside are so tiring. And we're out of water. We need to freshen up right now. Christy runs so fast with her ice cream that she falls right near the finish line. It's a miracle that the ice cream isn't hurt. Make a grid on a sheet of brown cardboard with hot glue. Coat it with acrylic paint so that it looks like a waffle. Wrap a cone. Hot glue to fasten. Cut an even edge. Crumple paper to make balls. Put them into the cone. Attach the balls. Make the ice cream more 3D with hot glue. Add drippings to the waffle cone. Paint the ice cream white and add a layer of acrylic polish. Create a topping with pink and red hot glue. Add a decorative cherry. It turns out there is nothing surprising about it. Christy has everlasting ice cream. It doesn't melt or drip, and unfortunately, it's not edible. Let Christy leave this fake ice cream for herself. Still, it's great for taking delicious selfies. Let's arrange an ice cream photo shoot. Cooking breakfast every morning is like torture. Christy has all of her willpower and ingredients, and even snuck a croissant from her friend. No carbs! First things first, taste my delicious fried egg. Place a sheet of parchment paper onto a plate. Draw a silhouette of a fried egg. Cut it out. Fill the paper with hot glue. Smooth it out with the heated nozzle. Paint the glue white when it hardens. Make it look like a fried egg white. Coat it with glossy polish. Put light yellow clay into a cap. Take out the hardened clay. Make 2 egg yolks this way. Put the yolks onto the glue egg white and coat them with polish. Stephanie starts eating her breakfast, but this egg doesn't give in. It's impossible to cut it. What's wrong? The yolks must still be asleep, but it looks more like my friend is pranking me. Well done, Christy. It looks very realistic. Christy goes to get some more food. What about some crunchy toast? Roll out air-dry clay and cut out a triangle. Smooth out the corners. Make imprints with an old toothbrush to create a toast texture. Let the clay harden. Coat it with yellow, gold, and brown acrylic paint. Add a layer of acrylic polish on top. Wow! This toast looks so natural, but it doesn't crumble. What else is on the plate? It looks like bacon. Yummy! Cut light-colored and pink polymer clay into strips. Interchange them and join them into a single layer with a rolling pin. Roll it out so that the strips are intermixed like on actual bacon. Create texture using a ball of crumpled foil. Cut off the uneven edges. Make waves. Bake it following the package instructions. Color the ready clay bacon with acrylic paint. Coat it with glossy acrylic polish. Holy calories! You just can't resist biting this bacon. It's the best and most beautiful fake breakfast in the world. The bacon and the clay toast are a match made in heaven. Pizza delivery! Stop! We need to take a photo of this Italian beauty before we eat it. But Stephanie can't hold back and sneaks a slice of pizza. Mmm, how delicious! And now let's cover the gap with a clay pizza slice. There you go! It looks way better than before. Mix light clay of different colors to get the color of a pizza crust. Roll it out into an even layer. Cut out a triangular pizza slice. Wrap up the edge. Shape a border. Cut salami slices out of light red clay. Make them look realistic using acrylic paint. Create olive rings using black light clay and caps of different sizes. Cut light yellow clay to imitate cheese shavings. Coat the pizza crust with acrylic paint. Apply tomato sauce using red-hot glue. Put on the clay cheese shavings, salami slices, and olive rings. Create a melted cheese effect with the yellow hot glue. Make lettuce from light green clay and put it on top. Christy quickly notices the change. This slice of pizza does not belong here, but it looks great on camera. The friends quickly finish the entire pizza. Let's freshen our breath with gum. Oops, my bad. This gum is for pranks. Roll out white modeling clay and cut out sticks of gum. Draw a zigzag pattern with a sharp tool so it looks like Wrigley's chewing gum. Cover each stick with a wrapper and put them into a package. No! This chewing gum tastes bad. Here, take some real Wrigley's, and we will keep this clay gum for pranks. These sticks are very easy to mix up. They look like 2 peas in a pod. Did you like our clay food? Then let us know in the comments which dish looks the most realistic and tasty. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new clay food on Troom.